Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp on mobile app. First of all, if you're using an iPhone, all you gotta do is to click on the App Store icon. You click on App Store icon, then you wanna click on the lower right corner where you see the search. You wanna click on the search, the magnifying glass, right? And then you wanna click and start typing WhatsApp. Usually it will pop out, right? You have plenty of options, but the first query is the most searchable, is the most legitimate one, because this is the actual recommendation from the iPhone, Android, from the iPhone algorithm itself. So click on the first one, and you will see that right at the get-go, you will have WhatsApp Messenger. So this is the one that you want to use on a daily basis with your friends. The second one is WhatsApp for Business, and then you have plenty of other versions of WhatsApp, which are not what I assume you're looking for. So, very important, you want to click on the WhatsApp Messenger, and the option that you will have over here appearing is Install. So you will have this option over here, and this option will simply let you to install the app on your phone. Then after you finish installing, you will have this icon, the blue one, turning from install into open. In our case, we already have installed the WhatsApp on our device, so all we gotta do in our case is just to update it. Next video, guys, I'm gonna show you how the update goes and what are the steps and what are the features. Subscribe and come back for more.